Toilet Seat Chris here. How do I segue away from that? It is okay. It is currently 3 degrees Fahrenheit outside today, so I will not be going shooting. Instead, I am putting together the POV I shot the other day downtown. The day I shot this, I woke up really excited because it was snowing, but by the time I got downtown, it had turned to rain. And so it was just windy and rainy and cold. And yeah, it was not the most pleasant experience. So this video is sponsored by Hot Hands, because without them, I wouldn't have been able to make this. Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by anybody at all. Anyway, I ended up downtown. I tried shooting for a little bit by myself, and then I lasted all of 20 minutes before I had to duck inside somewhere and warm up. So after my body was at an acceptable temperature for living, I met up with a photographer that I met through Instagram before I even came on the trip, actually. Reached out to him maybe like a week before I came out. Loved his work. Yeah, this is what I got that day. So hope you enjoy. What's up? Nice. Sick. Whoa, that's trippy. Yeah. Just once somebody, yeah, it's perfect. There's this car looking at. Okay, good, we're good. Come on, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move. Where'd he go? Okay.
They're Porsche. If they hit me, I'm getting that with me a 7.
Hi. Still in the bathroom. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, like it, whatever it's called. Maybe leave a comment down there. Tell me what your favorite photo was from this. Yeah, that's kind of all I have to say from the toilet. So thanks for watching. I don't know why you do.